What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I had to stop here on the party aisle because I was just passing by and saw so many new items for spring. We have the Spring Fling collection of baking cups, all sorts of pretty metallic colors. We have the Spring Fling leis that are super pretty. We have the cute little Spring Fling coasters, 4 to a pack. They are just so cute. Oh, here's another one that's in green. We have pretty napkins, 18 to a pack. Again, these are all part of the Spring Fling collection. Just look for the words Spring Fling. It's all about the journey. Oh my gosh, you guys, this one is so pretty. Be positive. Like, look at those pretty colors. We also have some more pretty florals, 14 to a pack, 18 to a pack of the big ones. Lots of really pretty options. I guess those are gift holders. Little like tubes. I wanted to see if we have any new party cups. Glitter table runners. I don't think I've ever seen these before. All sorts of metallic table covers. Cute novelty glasses. Okay, I want to take you guys, ooh, look at these. I want to take you guys to the makeup aisle. Cross your fingers. I'm really hoping we're gonna find some new items down the makeup aisle. I know so many of us look forward to the possibilities of what may be on the makeup aisle every week. The little mini gel lamps are still here. You just need batteries. Let's just take a minute and look. The Be Color lip glosses are here. Fire quartz with the ever so popular hyaluronic acid. We also have garnet. Feminine cleansing cloths. They're comparing them to Simply Summer's Eve cleansing cloths. Also in creamy coconut. Anything new? Oh, these are definitely new. The metallic fashion nails by Be Color. And then my store moved a lot of the jewelry to this aisle. It was on a little cardboard display. I think this is a new color. So you could take off the cap and you could have a very fine tipped point that you have to squeeze. See, it's really squeezy. You can squeeze the paint out of it and use the very fine tip, or you can twist it off and access the brush. And then down here we have some super fine holographic glitter. And this location also has the matcha lattes by Lip Smacker. I believe there's one other variety out. But in this store, we just have the matcha lattes. Those are really cute, by the way. Non-drowsy allergy relief, 24 in a pack. Mucus relief. Looks like they're preparing us for spring. Weight control, probiotics. This is the first time I've ever seen acidophilus in here. We also have glucosamine, energy, cold and flu, turmeric, aspirin, ibuprofen, sinus congestion and pain. They're comparing this to Tylenol's Sinus Severe. They're saying compare to Tylenol Sinus Severe. You get 12 in a box. Let's make sure I didn't pass up anything good over here. A little bit empty today in this location, but I noticed that it's kind of a common thing when we're like ending one holiday and about to start another. Oh, I wanted to get another one of these. My son loves this, and he's been using it for about 2 years, and it's lost a few bristles. Not much, but it has lost a few. I think this is a new one from Scoonsy. Also this one. This one. This one. These are new. Maybe this one with the matching bow. I thought these were really nice when I saw these in my other location. They're super cushy. They feel really nice. The quality feels really nice. I haven't purchased one or worn one, but just looking at them and feeling them here in the store, they look like they're made really well. And it also says headache free. That's definitely a plus. I remember being a little girl wearing headbands and getting headaches. Oh, these are new. Mossy Oak ladies socks. The quality feels really, really nice. Sublimated crew with arch support. You guys know these go for a lot more everywhere else. I'm not seeing a price, but trust me, they do. They go for a lot more. These as well. These go for $7.99 everywhere else. The power socks. And you get 2 in a pack. We also have Dexter dress socks. And we have some really nice women's diabetic mid-calf crew socks with copper technology. These also go for a lot more than $1 or $1.25. These probably go for like $10, I'm guessing. We also have a 40 denier gold toe control top tights this week. These are sort of a purple. This is number 40, semi-opaque, size C. Lots of information to look for. And we have lots of flip-flops back here. Lots of flip-flops. I think these ones are new since I was in a couple weeks ago. And also these and these and these. Yeah, you guys, lots of new items. Not too many new makeup items, but new hosiery, socks from Gold Toe, Dexter, Mossy Oak, the Walgreens Diabetic Crew socks, and also the super nice headbands, plus lots of new items from Scoonsy. You guys definitely subscribe if you haven't. Come back to my very next video because I'm going to be filming on the very next aisle, and you guys don't want to miss it. So definitely hit that little button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.